In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Claude in Gumloop. By the end, you'll be confidently starting a conversation with Claude right inside Gumloop and getting high quality responses tailored to your needs. First, open Gumloop in your browser. From the home page, you'll see different areas for building and running flows. What we want is the conversational interface, so head to the chat section. This is where you can talk directly with AI models without setting up a full workflow, which makes it perfect for quick brainstorming, drafting, analysis, and follow-ups. Once you're in chat, look for the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is your main input area, where you'll type your questions or paste content you want Claude to analyze. Above or near that area, you should see options to help you choose a model. Click on Recommended to view curated choices that balance quality and reliability. From the recommended options, select Claude 4.5 Sonnet. This model is a strong all-rounder. It's smart, fast, and great for everyday tasks like summarizing documents, writing, planning, and answering complex questions. Choosing the right model here sets the tone for the entire conversation. Now type your prompt in the chat box. Be as clear and specific as possible. If you're asking for a draft, mention the audience, tone, and length. If you're analyzing information, include the full context and ask for the structure you want in the output, like a summary, key takeaways, or action items. The more guidance you provide upfront, the better your results will be. Claude handles long context very well, so don't hesitate to paste in larger passages or multi-part instructions. If you're referencing multiple sections, label them clearly so Claude can cite or compare them accurately. This makes it easier for the model to keep track of details and deliver coherent, grounded answers. After you submit your prompt, let it run. Claude may ask a clarifying question or two to make sure it fully understands your goal. Answer those right in the chat to keep the flow moving and to refine the final output. Small clarifications like desired format or constraints can make a big difference. Give it a moment to finish generating. You'll see the response appear in the thread, and longer answers may arrive in segments. Once it's done, review the result and continue the conversation as needed. That's it. You now have a Claude chat inside Gumloop. From here, you can iterate on the same thread, refine instructions, and build on prior context for faster, smarter results every time.